Hi everyone, just want to do a review on this VEVOR tailgate pad that I purchased. So first off, it's looks like it's very good quality. I like the feel of it underneath here. It's very soft, so it's not going to scratch or damage your paint. It has a flap right here to reach your tailgate handle, so that's pretty cool. Easy to install. It has 3 straps right here, as you can see. 1 right here, 2, and then 3 right there. It also has cool pouches right here. You can put, anything you like, extra tire or anything like that for your bicycles, any straps, anything for surfboards. This also could be used for surfboards as well as bicycles. Excuse my bike, I'm actually planning to get a new one. That's why I bought this pad. So yeah, so we can use it. So I'm really excited about this. Like I said, it looks like it's made with very good quality. This is easy to wipe down. Also, I kind of got it dirty already, wiped it down with a Lysol wipe, and it just came clean. It also comes with cool straps to secure your bicycle. It actually comes with 5, so that's cool. We're a family of 4, so it definitely works out perfect for us. I would definitely recommend, if you're looking for a nice tailgate cover for your bicycles or surfboards, something that's not going to scratch, made very well, has cool little pockets. Your bikes will be secure with the straps it has on the top. And yeah, I think we're going to get good use out of it, and I'm excited to use it. Thanks.